Question regarding alcoholism. Why does it taboo? Why does everyone say stop it? When it's not harming anyone, then we have it. We don't harm anyone.
You make Vijay Mallya richer than he needs to be.
No, but we have other brands also. Depends. इसको मना क्यों किया जाता है? Why does it taboo? Everyone says.
क्या जरूरत क्या है तुम्हें? अच्छा देखो, अल्कोहल से क्या होता है, कभी सोचा है? Have you thought about what exactly happens in alcohol? First of all, why do you want alcohol? Why does anybody want alcohol? Okay, how many of you have had some alcohol in your life? Please put your hands up. I'm not talking about like one sip. Like properly, you have had daru. You know, please put your hand up. Good. Other people miss something anyway. All right. Now, understand why people have alcohol. One is the normal excuse that we give is, oh, you know, it's social and everybody's drinking, so I'm drinking. Yeah, this is the normal, your mind making it all right for you to have it. But really look into it. What happens when you have alcohol? You get high. What do you mean by high? What do you mean by high? You kind of lose control of yourself. In fact, if you notice people who are slightly tipsy, I'm not talking about those people who are roaring drunk, but people who are slightly tipsy are very, very, very natural. Right? They do things that they want to do which otherwise they wouldn't do. Agreed? Yes, you will not normally sing on the street, but you have so many times thought, yeah, right now I want to sing. But then you don't do it. Agreed? Yes? So what does alcohol do? Alcohol, it takes you from this state of I am not all right, I am not feeling good. It takes you in a state of ignorance, which is better than I am not feeling good. It takes you into ignorance. That is, ignorance is bliss. कुछ पता नहीं है. थोड़े टाइम के लिए I have switched off. I don't care what other people are thinking, what other people are saying. I'm like, oh. Right? So what has happened? I have gone from a state of I am not all right, I don't feel good, into a state of I don't care. Ignorance has come. The problem with that is when it wears out, you are back into the state of I am not all right. Now you don't like it there and you have experienced, tasted that other state, so you go back there, and this is what is an addiction. The unfortunate part with this is you need more and more of it every time to get into that place. First time it happens with half a glass, second time you require little more, third time you require little more. After that 2 bottles also nothing happens. I have experienced this. Yeah. Personally, I have experienced this. 2 full bottles of rum, I am not even slightly drunk. Yeah. So, and then people become proud of क्या capacity है. It is like chemical farming, you know. In the first time you put, you get yield. Then second time you have to put more, then you get that much only yield. Third time you put even more, then you get only that. So after some time, that just putting the chemical in only takes away all the profit. It's the same thing that is happening. So you are going from a state of I don't like it, I am not, a state of discomfort, uncomfort, into a state of ignorance, and then because you like it so much over there, when you eventually come back over here, you want to get back over there, and this cycle is an addiction, and before you know it, you are addicted. People, I am not addicted, right? Then stop. I just have like a little bit, 1 tablespoon. What difference is it? You have to stop it, no. Man, I am not addicted. So then also denial comes, and before you know it, you really require professional help. right? Because addiction, dependency, and then it goes into all sorts of horrible consequences. What starts off as a social drinking, suddenly you are in that Alcoholics Anonymous. It's not social drinking anymore. It is a big problem. Are you getting what I'm saying? Don't. Another thing people go, it will never happen to me. I have like iron control, big capacity, iron control, right? Then use it, no, right now. Use your iron control. Let's see how much iron is there over there. Say no. Right? Now, what we do over here, it is almost the same thing, but we are going in the opposite direction. This is going into the state of ignorance through unawareness. When you do Sudarshan Kriya, what happens from the state of I don't know, you are going to the state of an awareness, which is also a very beautiful place to be in. And evolution will always move you in this direction. It will take you from ignorance to knowledge. So when you are doing meditation, when you are doing Sudarshan Kriya, you are following evolution. And this change is permanent. समझ में आ रही बात ना? You can never come back into this state again. समझ में आ रही बात ना? You come into, you have learned how to meditate. You have learned the mind can become like this. You have learned to come out of that state of I am not all right, things are not all right, into things are okay. I am fine, I am good. Then you act. Then life becomes magical. You will never fall back into completely over there. You may fall back a little bit. Some girlfriend ditches you, dog bites you. Then despondency will come, it's okay. But it goes also very fast.
The good factor will go and the good factor will come.
Yeah. Right? So that is the reason why we say alcohol is no good, because alcohol causes dependency and addiction in most people. And it is opposite to the way evolution goes. Because you cannot stay in that alcoholic state. Evolution will push you in the opposite direction. You, as a person, you will be pushed towards awareness, and to get to the awareness, you have to get into that it's not okay. Then you can get into it's okay through awareness, through knowledge. Right? So both the alcohol as well as Sudarshan Kriya are taking you out of this state. Only this one is taking you in the opposite direction to evolution. This one is taking you to the way that you should be evolved as a human being.
Is it like we do Sudarshan Kriya regularly, like, and we can have sometimes alcohol too?
Why would you want it?
So sometimes after like as you say socially or something.
Why would you want to do it?
If I feel like having it.
No, why would you want to do it? Feel like having it मतलब क्या?
मन कर रहा है पीने का.
तो मत पियो. ऐसा तो मन बहुत करता है.
Okay.
Right? Many people want to murder her, they don't. Right? ऐसा मतलब मन करता है करने का मतलब क्या?
दोनों साथ नहीं करना है.
You see some random girl over there, मन करता है उसको किस करूं, करता है क्या? हाँ, see? वैसे ही I wish पीने का छोड़ देने का बस. ठीक है ना? नहीं करना, नहीं करना है. ये एक चैप्टर तुम्हारी जिंदगी का बंद करो. हो गया ना, मतलब एक्सपीरियंस कर दिया, तो पता तो है क्या होता है. राइट? पता है क्या होता है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अच्छा कुछ पता नहीं है, एक्सपेरिमेंट करना, ये भी तो तुम बोल नहीं सकते. पता है क्या होता है, अच्छे से पता है. फिर नेक्स्ट डे जाके वो टॉयलेट में भी यू पी, इट स्टिंक्स द टॉयलेट अप for the next person. All these things, you know, so many ganda things happen with this alcohol business. Right? You puke. Right? Why you want to get into this when you have been given a path which gives you the same effect? I mean, I'm not joking. It is the same bloody effect. It is. So then, so, it is true. I mean, this is one of the reasons why I also dropped alcohol. There's no point drinking anymore. I am getting exactly the same effect. Close your eyes, breathe. I get the same kick, the same high. Why I should? I mean, basic economics. Why you want to spend money on that? ठीक है, तो नहीं करना है. ये यहाँ पे ना बोलो ना. Certain things. See, spirituality में आते हो तो certain few rules we follow. No alcohol, no smoking, no non-veg, no drugs. Or there are no more no's. This is it. Yeah? This is really, really opposite to evolution, opposite to life. It is no good. Not for you, not for the environment, not for people around you. Why you want to get into it? हाँ, तुमने कभी कोर्स वोर्स किया नहीं है, कोई स्पिरिचुअलिटी क्या है पता नहीं है तुम्हें, कभी ध्यान किया नहीं, कभी मेडिटेट किया नहीं, तो तुम्हें कोई चॉइस नहीं है टू बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन अ प्लेस लाइक IIT चेन्नई. यू हैव टू ड्रिंक. देयर इज नो अदर वे. देयर इज सिंपली नो अदर वे. I mean, I am from IIT Bombay. I know. I mean, it must be the same thing, right? There is simply no other way. Either that or it is nervous breakdown, suicide. No? There, I would rather you drink, yaar. Better than jumping off the 6th floor of the main building. No? But once you have been given an alternative, which is healthier, safer, then you are being simply stupid to continue something which is not relevant anymore. समझ में आ रही बात ना? अभी तुम्हारे पास बोस स्टीरियो सिस्टम है, बोस का तुमने 2.5 लाख रुपया खर्चा करके तुमने स्टीरियो सिस्टम लगाया और फिर तुम बोलते हो नहीं वो 2-in-1 के ऊपर अपन लगा. क्या पॉइंट है? कोई पॉइंट है क्या? Does it make any logical sense whatsoever? I have got the best music system in the world and I will play it on that Philips 2-in-1. नहीं वो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी खाता है. साउंड. Okay, got it? Clear? तो यहाँ पे नो when other people come and tell you क्या तुमने छोड़ दिया ये वो इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल करते हो, कुछ नहीं सुनने का. मेरे को बोलते थे क्या तुम तो अभी आते नहीं हो, साधु बन गए हो. said yes I am sadhu, come on touch my feet, take आशीर्वाद. Then what happened was even more interesting. You know, 1 or 2 people, you know, in jokingly they touched my feet, and something really wonderful happened in their life. I mean, तुम ध्यान करते हो, you are going to meditate, you have some sort of shakti there. Someone even jokingly touches your feet, no, something good will happen to them, right? फिर तो अपना ऐसा reputation बन गया. People would come to my room and say, "तू बोल ना मैं पास हो जाऊँगा." You say, what difference does it make for you? You just open your mouth and say it, no. Like that. Yes, people around you will recognize that. But there are certain things that you do not do, and certain things that you do. And you be strong and firm in that, and rest of it is fine. ठीक है ना? Make sense?